Okay, just please tell me what happened to it.
Oh, I dropped my phone. I actually got it fixed here with you, but right before I was able to put the screen protector, I dropped it again. So finally, after 1 year,
Can I take it off?
back.
The screen
Yeah, that's
protector?
fine. Let's
Like
see.
good.
Oh, the screen protector is cracked too.
Okay, oh wow.
Yep.
Oh, I
And
see.
yes, the glass.
I thought it was a screen protector, but it's not. It's actually a screen. Okay,
Yeah.
no problem.
Thank you so
Makachoke.
much. Yeah.
Here is ready, sir.
Wow.
Thank you. Just please check if it's everything okay.
Wow,
Thank
so
you.
much. It's like brand new.
Yeah, with the coating and the screen protector.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's good?
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.